Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna try to show you how I'm gonna replace the pulley that is overrunning alternator pulley. It looks like this on this Volkswagen. I don't know if it is gonna work. I'm gonna attempt to replace it as it is here on the spot without removing the alternator from its place, and I don't know if this is gonna happen, but at least I'm gonna try. So all I have to do is I'm gonna release the tensioner and I'm gonna lock it so I can remove the drive belt. Then I will start disassembling this. So there is this plastic cap in front. When this is removed, there is a special tool. I will need this tool to unlock the pulley from its place and hopefully to remove it from the alternator. So let's try and see how it is gonna work. At the moment I have successfully removed the belt, and now I can try and see. At the moment the clutch does not work. This pulley is stuck like it is without this overrunning feature. Doesn't matter the position and the rotation, so probably this is the problem that we faced with the drive belt, because I replaced the tensioner and the drive belt not long ago, but in the spur of the moment I didn't check for any other problems, and apparently this was the reason for the belt to go. You can see how damaged was the previous one, so this is brand new belt and we don't want the same to happen to it. So yeah, let's try and remove this. Now I'm gonna remove this cap from here and then I'm gonna start untightening this thing. Yeah, finally I decided that this is a lost cause because it was so hard to get this out of there, to unscrew it. Unbelievable. I used this wrench, adjustable wrench, to do the trick because it has a lot of grip on the keys. So yeah, this did the trick. Incredibly happy. Let's see if this is as the new one, and if it is, I'm gonna install the new one. They are exactly the same, but this is the proper moment that I can show you. You can see that when I turn this like this, and everything turns, and once I try it in the opposite direction, the middle stops. I'm able to move the exterior, and on this side it locks again. While the old one does not matter the side that I'm turning it, it is locked all the time. So this is forcing the tensioner to work constantly, the belt to be under pressure non-stop, and it is bad for the car. So let's install the new one. Well guys, this was all. Everything is mounted, and I think that this was very easy. I didn't expect this to be so easy, so I'm glad that this part is over. Hopefully this is gonna last long, and I hope this content was interesting or helpful to you. So thank you so much for watching. If you think this is helpful, of course you can check out my other videos on my channel. You may consider sharing, commenting, liking, and subscribing for my channel, of course. So thank you again. Hope to see you in my next videos. Stay tuned, stay safe, and bye for now.